New doors are one of the best upgrades you can make to your Rowlett home. They enhance curb appeal, increase security, improve energy efficiency, and create a more welcoming entryway. But like any important home investment, new doors need proper care to stay beautiful and functional for many years. Fortunately, maintaining them doesn't require complicated tools or a professional, just consistent attention and a few simple steps. Here's a helpful, homeowner-friendly guide on how to maintain your new doors after installation in Rowlett. Clean the door surface regularly. Dust, pollen, and Texas weather can take a toll on the appearance of your door. Regular cleaning helps preserve its finish and prevents long-term buildup. For painted or fiberglass doors, use mild soap and warm water. Wipe with a soft cloth or sponge. Rinse with clean water and dry immediately. For wood doors, avoid harsh cleaners. Dust regularly. Use wood-appropriate polish or cleaner. Keeping the door surface clean prevents fading, staining, and premature wear, especially important in Rowlett's sunny, warm climate. Inspect and maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping plays a huge role in keeping your home energy efficient. It blocks drafts, reduces energy loss, and helps maintain indoor temperature. Over time, however, it can loosen or become worn. Inspect your weather stripping for gaps or visible cracked sections that have peeled away. Areas where air feels like it's leaking. If needed, weather stripping is inexpensive to replace and can be done quickly. A tight seal helps maintain comfort during Rowlett's hot summers and cooler winter nights. Lubricate hinges and moving parts. Your new door should open smoothly, quietly, and effortlessly. To keep it that way, lubricate hardware at least twice a year. Apply a small amount of silicone spray, lithium grease, or a door-safe lubricant. Focus on hinges, sliding tracks. For patio doors, locks, and latches, avoid using WD-40 on hinges as it can attract dust and cause wear over time. Check the door frame for shifting or settling. Rowlett homes, especially those built on expansive clay soil, can experience small shifts from season to season. This movement can affect how your door fits and operates. Look for difficulty latching, new gaps around the frame, a door rubbing against the threshold, unusual resistance when opening or closing. Catching these signs early prevents long-term alignment issues and avoids unnecessary damage. Protect the door finish from sun exposure. Texas sun can be intense, and UV rays can cause fading or wear on even the highest quality finishes. Helpful tips: add a protective clear coat to wood doors. Use UV-resistant paint or finish on fiberglass or steel doors. Install a storm door for an added layer of protection. Consider a small awning or shade over the entry. This helps keep your door's color vibrant and prevents cracking or peeling. Keep door glass clean and clear. For entry or patio doors with glass panels, keeping them clean enhances both appearance and energy efficiency. Use glass cleaner or vinegar and water. Mixed soft microfiber cloths to prevent scratches. Check the edges for condensation or moisture between panes, an early sign of seal failure that may need professional attention. Test locks and security features regularly. Your new door is a major part of your home's security. Make it a habit to test locks and hardware every few months. Look for loose screws, wobbly handles, difficulty turning the key, misaligned latches. Small adjustments now can prevent big problems later. Final thoughts: with proper maintenance, your new doors can look beautiful, function smoothly, and protect your Rowlett home for decades. Regular cleaning, timely inspections, and simple upkeep go a long way toward preserving your investment. By staying proactive, you ensure that your doors continue delivering security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and everyday comfort.